Hey guys, so we have an unboxing here of the ASUS ROG Phone 3. Now this phone has some pretty amazing specs, including a 6000 milliamp battery, a 144Hz display, of course you have the latest Snapdragon up to 16GB of RAM, just incredible specs for it. Should definitely be one of the best gaming phones. Alright, so we have a pamphlet with a case and instructions. The ROG 3. Get that in the feel. A quick charge, which a lot of companies are, or some companies are not shipping with. A braided USB-C cable. Headphone jack adapter, because unfortunately no headphone jack. Alright, so no headphones, but we do have everything else. So now for the phone. Now, first thoughts, this is definitely pretty hefty, but looks pretty nice. Definitely one of the most unique designs out there. Alright, so let's power it on. Alright guys, so I'm going to put my info, and I'll be back in a few. Alright guys, so I've been using the phone for the past few days. It's extremely impressive, and it definitely could be the best in some categories. So let's go over the specs first. Now the phone has a 6.59 inch display. It's only 1080p, but it's also 144 Hz. So really impressive speed. Now on the front, the phone has a 24MP camera, and on the back it has a triple camera setup with standard wide and macro cameras. For the internals, the phone has the latest Snapdragon, first phone with it, and up to 16GB of RAM. The phone also has up to half a terabyte of storage, but no micro SD card support, and a massive 6000 milliamp battery. The phone does not have wireless charging, and it does not have a headphone jack or water resistance, but you do have USB-C port at the bottom and one on the side. The phone also has an in-display fingerprint, which works decently, but not 100%. The phone also does not have a price in the United States yet, but it is pretty inexpensive worldwide. The phone also has excellent dual speakers. Limo Recording Studios, Golden Empire. Yeah, excellent quality, and they also get extremely loud. Alright, so now for a brief hands-on versus the ROG 2. Now, I think the biggest upgrade here is the cameras. And you guys also see that the lighting's even upgraded. But aside from that, definitely not a huge upgrade. Just kind of more your standard yearly upgrade. So we have a better chipset, more RAM, actually the same size battery. But the thing about the battery, guys, is it was, it's already 6,000 milliamps. So you definitely don't need more than that. The design on the front looks pretty similar. It's the same size display and also same resolution, but it is a faster refresh rate. So you're going from a pretty ridiculous 120 to 144. So again, guys, I mean, really impressive specs for it. Honestly, if they're able to get the camera, if they're able to improve the cameras a lot, then that would be really huge for it, because that was, of course, the worst thing about the two. The fingerprint's actually a bit slower, but I assume everything else is better, or at least the same. But not a big difference for it. Let's also check out the free case. So, not that many phones ship with these. And honestly, guys, they're usually pretty poor quality. So, let's see for this. Alright, so pretty strange design for it. It's definitely pretty unique. It says ROG, it says gamers, so definitely a custom. Alright, so it's cool having the light here, and also the important parts to it. But honestly, guys, it's a pretty weird feeling case. It's not flat, so you have like a lot of indents. Yeah, again, feels really weird to hold it. And you also have some slightly raised lips here. But aside from that, it's definitely not going to give you much protection. It also should help a bit with the scratches. But again, guys, I wouldn't really trust it. I'd say to buy a different one. Alright guys, so filming this last part with the ROG 3 in 4K mode with the rear camera. Now I would have liked to have used the front, but it's only 1080p. The cameras are something I don't expect to be that strong. Probably one of the weakest things about it. But yeah guys, of course I'll be doing full testing for it. We're actually getting the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in 2 days. So yeah guys, this phone could be the best for battery, for speed, for the speakers. Really has a lot going for it. So we're going to be doing a lot of testing for it. First test is going to be versus the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and then versus Sony and the upcoming iPhone. So yeah guys, tons of videos to look forward to. I'll have a lot more coming shortly.